it has like a little balls. Okay, let's just try because oh, it's creamy. What? What is this? What just happened? Oh my goodness. Hey guys, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. This video I'm gonna be checking out another brand new brand to me and create a makeup look using the brand's products. The brand I'm talking about is called TECHNIC. Let's see what we have. We got a lot of goodies in here, so I'm sure we'll be able to create a full face of makeup using all of these products. We have two pressed pigment eyeshadow palettes, so it's vegan and cruelty free, by the way, as all the brands I've been using for the last few years. Another thing I have is the Intense Lash Mascara with jojoba oil, which sounds amazing. The liquid eyeliner, brow gel, sounds amazing, and it's clear. The facial oil with gold with hyaluronic acid. And then we have an illuminating primer with hyaluronic acid. I'm gonna use all products that I have in here today. Then we have the Luminous Glow Foundation, Banana Bright Low Lighter Concealer. Then we have a liquid highlighter, a loose powder in Banana Light, shimmer blush, Gold Elixir lip gloss with hyaluronic acid. Oh my god, this sounds amazing! Cashmere matte lip cream, illuminating skin mist with gold flakes. I just open this up. Oh my god, what is this? Look, it has like a little balls. Okay, let's just try because oh, it's creamy. What? What is this? What just happened? Okay, guys. Oh my goodness. How did that happen? I like truly wasn't expecting that. Okay, let's just do quick swatches to see what we're working with. Part of that super creamy. So this is a powdery one, nice light pink. Let's go with this pressed pigment because this looks very intense shade. Ooh. Oh, oh my god, you guys, this is so beautiful. Okay, another pressed pigment. Looks like a halo effect. Wow, extremely creamy. I was like, what, just glided on my hand. Nice brown shade, the matte shade. Let's try this because I'm very intrigued with that. Very creamy, like it just glides on my hand. You know what, before we're gonna start, let's hydrate the lips while we're gonna do, you know, the eyeshadow and so on. So I'm gonna use this Gold Elixir lip gloss for that. Look at this vent. Okay, what is this? It's like a silicone vent. I've never seen this before. Have you? Feels mega moisturizing. So I'm using the crease blend brush by Beauty, and I'm gonna go with this light pink shade first. So we're gonna go like outer corner and then up to the crease. Oh, this is pigmented. I wasn't expecting that. You know what? I'm gonna go with this shade with my finger. We're just gonna play around. Outer corner, we're gonna start. Gonna blend with a finger. So you see, I'm using a brush to blend. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this like light shimmery shade, pressed pigment again. It's extremely creamy, by the way, but texture wise, and I'm gonna go with this inner eye corner. And so I always like to go with eyeliner prior applying the eyeshadow on the outer corner. It's just because I have hooded eyes and I feel like it's easier to blend once I have the eyeliner on. Just back in this. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this darkest shade. I'm gonna go outer corner with that, taking the Beauty Precise Shadow brush. I'm basically gonna go on the top of this eyeliner, kind of buff it in. Taking the fluffier brush, the crease blush, the crease blend, and just the same brush we used before, and just blending through. Gonna finish at the eyes once we have the foundation and so on. But first, let's apply the mascara. So this one is the Intense Lash Mascara with jojoba oil. Ooh, I love a brush. You know, I'm a sucker for silicone brush. I love it. It's tapered. Okay, this looks promising, you guys. Extremely promising, to be honest. You guys, this mascara, Intense Mascara with jojoba oil. Oh my god. Look at my lashes. For the face, I'm gonna start with this Gold Elixir Facial Oil with hyaluronic acid once again. Okay. Gonna press this into my skin. Oh, sorry. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. It smells like orange and I'm allergic to orange, so that's not happening. Let me come back in a second. Alright, you guys, my face might look red because I literally ran to wash my face because I'm super allergic to citrus, especially the orange. And this has the orange oil. I mean, ingredients are amazing to someone who's not allergic to citrus like me. She might open this up because I could just, you know, gift this to someone, but I opened this, so I can't use it. I literally just washed my skin, proper wash my skin using these by the makeup remover makeup pads, and then I use a face wash just to make sure I don't have any of this citrus oil on my skin because I don't want to experience allergic reaction because my face will swell up. So yeah. Okay, that's been done. Let's check this primer. I'm just gonna quickly read the ingredients just in case. The Illuminating Primer with Hyaluronic Acid. Talking about allergies, are you guys allergic to anything? Or it's just me? Comment down below, let me know. Ooh, I know why they say illuminating. I mean, I'm shining, guys. I'm shining. Okay, I don't know if I like it though, because I have naturally oily skin, so I try to not shine, but this is giving extra shine of it. Do you guys see how shiny I look now? Next thing I'm gonna try is this foundation, a Luminous Glow Demi Matte Foundation Beige. I'm gonna use a flathead foundation brush by Be Beauty. Foundation is on. Let's try the Banana Bright Low Lighter. Okay, it's the same brush. Oh, you guys, so this foundation and this concealer actually gives very natural looking finish, very luminous. Well, foundation itself, it says luminous glow, and I can totally see that. It also tends to oxidize. I mean, it looks darker than it looks in here. Let's set up this foundation and concealer. So I'm gonna use the Banana Bright Loose Powder. Gonna use a Be Beauty setting brush for that. It actually feels nice on the skin. Okay, because I don't have a contour palette in this product selection that I have any, I'm gonna use the eyeshadow palette. This is my contour, using the contour brush by Be Beauty. Ooh, perfect. Actually loving this. Let's do the blush. So for the blush, I have the shimmer blush. Shimmer blush. That's interesting. I'm gonna use the blush brush by Be Beauty for that. Actually like it. It's not too shimmery. I thought it's gonna be like super sparkly, but it's not. It actually looks very pretty on. Let's apply the highlighter. Ooh, a tiny dab. I'm going to top of my cheekbones and blend with my finger, not the brushes. let's do the lips and then we can finish off the eyes. The lippy, we got in here the TECHNIC Cashmere Matte Lip Cream. This lippy smells like bubblegum. Gorgeous nude, right? So the eyes, so I'm gonna take this creamy shade and use as a highlighter under my brow arch and inner eye corner. We use the Precision Detail brush by Be Beauty for that. And for the lower lash line, I'm coming back to the same precise shadow brush that we used to blend the eyeliner. It still has product on, so I'm not gonna add more. Just gonna blend this on the outer corner because the shadow is still on the brush. And then inner corner, I'm just gonna add a little bit of a pink. Alright, I was about to use a setting spray prior going back with the mascara for lower lash line. I just read ingredients, and ingredients has once again like citrus fruit, citrus oil in it, which I'm allergic to, so I'm not gonna even open this and spray on my skin because I don't want to have an allergic reaction, you know. But this sounds amazing. If any of you want these, let me know. This one is open though, you see me open in front of you. So the lippy, the lip gloss, lip oil, is the same line, but it doesn't have any orange fruit. It didn't even smell like orangey, you know, because I would have noticed straight away, so that's why I used it. But there is, I can't use. Okay, I'm just gonna come back with mascara, and this mascara, guys, if you still don't have it, you need to have it. You need to get it. I think out of all the products so far that I tried, the mascara and the lippy, and this lip oil is my absolute favorites. Oh, the brow gel. Nearly forgot. Can't open this. I love the packaging, it's so nice. Ooh, so tiny. Okay, love this actually. More precision. Put my hair. Okay, love a brush. Gets all my brow here. We kinda are done. I just want to add a little bit in the eye corner liner just because I'm really loving this look at the moment. This part is totally skippable. I'm just using some rhinestones. These I think were from eBay or something. I think that should do. I'm gonna do exactly the same on this eye, and that's a makeup look completed. Yeah, what you guys think of this finished makeup look? Obviously, the rhinestone part you could totally skip. As you see, I didn't do like both eyes identical. I just went with the flow. Coming back to these TECHNIC makeup products. Eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, extremely pigmented. I haven't tried another one, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be just as pigmented as this one. Eyeliner. Super easy to use, it doesn't bleed, it doesn't crumble or flake or anything. The mascara, oh my freaking goodness, go get yourself one. Yeah, this definitely gonna be using a lot. The lippy, this is a dupe for Kylie lip. This is way much better than Kylie lippies. Trust me, Kylie lippies are just overhyped. So far, I'm pretty liking all the products that I tried. I haven't tried this, but I have allergy to citrus, so I hope you understand. But my absolute go-to ones are mascara and the lippy. So good. Go get yourself one. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you found this video helpful, if you tried this brand, if you like the products, you hate the products, if you would like to see more videos like this where I create makeup look using one brand. Leave a comment down below, let me know, I'll make sure to do so. If you enjoyed this video, as always, don't forget to press a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more super important part. I'm mentioning this all the time because it's so important. You're gonna support my channel majorly, and that doesn't cost you a penny, and it's not painful, so it's a freebie, why not? I shall see you soon in my next video, so thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, guys. Ciao for now.